Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to fix a slow charging phone. If your phone is charging slower than usual, it can be frustrating. Let me show you a few quick fixes to speed up your phone's charging process. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Now I'm gonna talk about the first step. The first step is using the original charger. Make sure you are using the original charger and cable that came with your phone. Low quality or incompatible chargers can cause slow charging. Step 2. Turning off your phone or using airplane mode. If your phone is on, try turning it off or putting it in airplane mode while charging. This stops background apps from using power, allowing your phone to charge faster. Now I'll show you how to turn on airplane mode. Normally, swipe down the notification bar and here you will see some icon. And then normally swipe down again and you will see an icon airplane mode. Normally click on that and the airplane mode will be turned on. Now step 3. Clean the charging port. Sometimes dust or lint can block the charging port, causing slow charging. Gently clean the port using a soft brush or a toothpick to remove any debris. Number 4. Close unnecessary apps running in the background. These apps use your battery, which can slow down the charging process. So normally I'm gonna show you how to close unnecessary apps running from the background. So normally you have to click on the 3 bar or home icon and you will see a window like this. Normally click on close all and that's it. All of the background apps will be dismissed. Now step 5. You have to check your charging cable. Inspect the charging cable for any visible damage. A worn out or frayed cable can cause slow charging. If it's damaged, replace it with a new one. Finally, step 6. Disabling fast charging. Some phones have an option to disable fast charging in the settings. If you are using a third-party charger, turning off this feature might improve charging speed. So my phone isn't a fast charging phone, but you can find it by going into settings. Normally swipe down the notification bar and click on the gear icon to open settings, and here you have to search fast charging. And you will see an option to disable fast charging. So you have to disable that because you are using a third-party charger. On the other hand, when you are using your own original charger, then you have to turn it on again. And that's all about the guide on how to fix a slow charging phone. Hopefully these tips will help you charge your phone faster. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.